Hello and welcome. So I'm at Caravan Salon. I have here to show you this Mercedes base vehicle, and what we've got here is a Box. That is the name of the company, and I've got Hymer here who's going to give a tour around the vehicle when he comes over. So we have here, please only enter vehicles with booth staff. That's to keep the riffraff out, and we'll go in right now. So Hymer,
Hi.
what have we got here?
So we have our brand new Denelli 720Q. It's a box. The total length is 7,200 millimeters, and it has a east-west bed and some more things inside.
Okay, that's a good way. East-west bed is a good way of putting it.
Yeah.
Right.
So come inside, and
It's nice.
if
Yes.
you say so.
Yeah, yeah.
Anything against it.
So, shall we go to the back?
Yeah, we can go to the back. There's the bed. It's 1,500 millimeters wide.
Yes.
2,050 millimeters of length.
Yes.
We have the brand new roof hatch from Outbound.
Yes.
It's very lightweight, so this is the reason why we used it.
Yes. Is it glass or plastic?
No, it's not glass. This
It's-
one, it's a plastic one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We have glass windows, of course, from Outbound, and
Yeah.
we also use them because they are the lightest glass windows. A huge panorama
Yeah.
hatch, so you can sit here like as you are outside. We have a very large compartment for the kitchen, so because I like to cook, I think you can see that. So, but it's just enough space here that I can go around, and I have a lot of space here if I want to cook. The whole car is totally, you can handle everything with your handy. It's totally what's called totally digital.
Yes.
But we also have buttons because I like buttons. I use buttons, and if with
Yeah.
every button you can turn on, turn off light, for example.
Yes.
So then we have 10 kilowatt hours, so 800 amperes of battery inside. It's from EcoFlow. We have Timberline 2.0 under this seat bench. So everything here is water. We have water pipes in the flooring, so you have floor heating, and as well we have one wall inside of the bathroom with a liquid heater. The electric is inside this box here. I think you see we do it with a little laugh.
Oh, very good. Yes. Very good.
So then we have these little things. If you look inside here, you can pass through to the outside. We have a hatch on the outside, so you can give Euro boxes we have inside. If you have prepared your meal, you can give it to the outside, or if you buy anything, you can put it from the outside to the inside.
Yes. Yes.
So then we have, of course, a bathroom. So come on with me.
Oh.
So this is our shower room.
Yeah.
We have a dry toilet. And we have a foldable sink. So it's dual use, and it's very space saving, but you have a very huge basin. So then we have our little storage room here.
Above the cab.
Yeah, it's an alcove or cab over.
Yeah. Cab
So,
over. Yes.
because I use the very best toilet, it's the helipod. It's strong enough. I will show you. I can get on it, and so I can come and grab anything inside the cab.
Okay. Right. That's yeah.
So there's a pass through here.
And that's the crawl space into the cab. And
Yeah.
you've got the cable in
It's
there.
a very huge one. Yeah, we have
Yeah,
our
yeah.
stuff inside.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's got to go somewhere. And this is a very nice duckboard down
Yeah.
here, which would come out for the shower. Super.
So then we have a Dometic refrigerator inside. Not because I love Dometic, but I love the fridge because you can open it from this side and you can open it from the outside. So I can get my beer from the outside.
Yes. Yeah. No. Very clever. Yes.
So and all these little things like a little light here. So in the evening, everybody knows for the guys about 3 o'clock, 4:30, you have to go to toilet. So we have also a little button at the bed, and then you have this little light to turn on, so you're not getting blind, but you find your way to the toilet. We have, of course, an electrical heating system here. So to get a very fast hot feed, if you come from the outside, we have a heat exchanger which makes from the water hot air. So if you want to heat up very fast, you can do that with these. So then, of course, we have already made a little preparation for dishes and everything else you need.
Yeah.
And you know, so, and the color concept, I think, yeah, it's a nice, and it's very nice green and it's sandstone combination.
I do appreciate the colours, what the individual taste, but green's my favourite colour for such things, but that's just me, of course.
If you would have asked me, I've never done green, but obviously I didn't have to say anything, so it is green, but now I love it.
Yeah.
It's really lovely. And it is it's totally good in color with the surface from the table.
Yeah. Yes. Very nice. Yes. Even matches the plates.
Yeah, this is from my wife.
Okay.
Found them, and yeah, she made a little decoration. I think this makes it to live.
Yes.
To give it a feeling, because this truck is not to go for 4 days, 4 weeks on holiday. Yeah. This is to live in.
Oh yes, certainly. No, I absolutely appreciate. I live in my motorhome.
Yeah, so
I
you
appreciate
know the difference.
Oh yes, certainly. Hello.
Yeah, this is 57 millimeters of insulation, so you even can go to Mongolia.
Yeah. Yes.
Even in the winter, but then the limited is maybe the Mercedes.
Yes.
If it's getting colder than minus 30 degrees, I think there will be little problems. But yeah, we like this little Denali, and maybe you want one.
Yeah, I was thinking of getting 2 actually.
That's enough if you buy one.
Yes. Maybe we can have a look at the outside as well.
Of course we can.
I see there's a queue of people trying to get in, and Right, so we've got here the pull-outs from.
It's from Mokobo. The kitchen from Mokobo. I like this one very much because you have everything with you. It's completely prepared with also dishes, knives, and everything is inside. It's not that easy if it's moving.
Yes.
So, yeah, and we have a huge space on the back.
Yeah.
For all luggage and everything else.
And the water filtration system.
Yeah, a little filtration system. So, from the inside we have 3 kinds of filters from different sizes, and at the end we have the UV and cold filter.
Yes. Yeah,
and you can see
the colors.
Yeah, these are some colors you can choose of, and here you see our floor heating. This is inside of the flooring.
Okay. Yeah.
And one other, it's a little highlight only, but all hatches, all doors, all storage rooms, it's one key.
Oh yeah, central locking.
No, it's not central locking. But it's
one key, the same key for everything. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
So maybe you look to the other side to have a look at the panorama hatch from the outside.
Yeah, this is the pièce de résistance, the star bit of it.
I think this is, you can stop everywhere, drink a little coffee if there's a nice side view.
Yeah.
What we have done, I've been with our Ford, we have an F550 in America as a show truck, and I've been to the Grand Canyon with that one. And it was very windy, so I put the back from the car to the wind, open it to have a view in the Grand Canyon, and had a little dinner with my wife, so it was also very cool.
Yeah,
maybe the front.
Yes, certainly. I went to the Grand Canyon. Fortunately, the weather it was in January. 3rd of January. You can't expect it to be too good, but the ice, and I mean standing near the edge, and it was the fences there didn't look very strong to me.
We have been really out of all other where we normally go to the Grand Canyon. We have been on a very special place, so We have to drive about 25 miles to get there off-road. And
yeah.
then,
Yeah,
so
well,
yeah, here we have prepared everything with our, I don't know the English word.
What's that?
Yeah, this is, was heißt denn Seil?
It's it in German.
Seilwinde. Das ist ein
Oh, yeah,
Seilwindenträger.
yeah. This thing here, it pulls out. It's a pulley thing. This thing here.
Yeah.
I've forgotten the word in English as well.
Yeah, and of course some nice lights so that you can go everywhere, and if you turn these ones on, you will see everything.
Yes.
Yeah. And that's the most story about the Denali. Let's say our youngest baby.
Yeah.
And yeah, it gets a lot of fans.
Yeah, no, it's really nice. I mean, its living area is superb, and it's a long vehicle, but it's just about doable because some of them are too long. But
no, I think this is exact right size to get also in the city. Okay, you have to look for a supermarket or somewhere to park it. You will not park in a normal parking slot, and then you have to use something like the Denali 600 feet. It's a van.
Well, we can see that in a different video though, that one. So, anyway, that's really good. If you want to say your Box Manufaktur, and what is the website?
www.com.
.boxmanufaktur.com. There you go, it's over in the corner, you can see there. Okay, super. Thanks very much, and we'll see the other one in a different video.
You're welcome.